How to make
Y'all decided to have story
$800
time
in one
tonight
day.
in my bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by saying yes, I put some lip gloss on my lips. So back to what I'm trying to talk about. So I'm basically finna talk to y'all about how I made damn near $800 in one day. You feel me? Just doing hair. So like you gotta be consistent and you gotta be on time with your clients in order to get this money. You can't just be late behind all the shit. So when you dealing with clients, you know, especially if they tip and they some good tippers, because most of my clients are good tippers, thank the Lord. But I get a lot of little stingy motherfuckers that only want to pay me the exact amount. But even $5 a tip will help me out. You feel me? But anywho, I just want to say I made $800 in one day by doing 8 clients. So each client paid me about $100. So with that being said, most of my clients, I'm charging over $100 per client because my work takes time. I like to take my time. I don't like to rush. I really put all the effort into making sure my client is happy. That's one thing I do. I'm going to make sure you're happy. Even if you tell me you're happy and I still don't feel like you're happy, I'm still going to tell you to let me know if it's something you want me to fix. Because I'm going to fix it with no problem. I'm not going to get mad at you. I'm not going to try to fight you. I'm not going to block you on Instagram. I'm not going to tell you can't come back. I'm just going to fix the problem because that's the type of person I am. If you don't like something, I'm going to fix it and make sure you good for the next time. So when you come back, you're going to give me that tip. So most of the time, you got to make sure you got returning clients. That means you're going to make sure your client is really satisfied with her hair so she can come back. Most of my clients, I really try to make sure y'all good. And if y'all feel like I didn't, please let me know because I want to make sure you're good all the way. Even if you don't like your hair, still let me know so the next time I can make sure I'm doing it exactly how you want it. You know, I'm that type of person. Like, I'm going to take my time. So it's a lot of stylists that don't do that. They ain't got time to make sure your hair is cute. They ain't asking you, do it hurt? They ain't asking you if it's too tight. They ain't asking you, do you want me to fix anything? They just doing your hair how they want to do it. And they let you out their chair and bye, be gone. I'm not like that. If you've been to me, you know I'm going to ask you about 1,000 times. Do it hurt? Is it too tight? Do you like it? Do you want me to fix it? Do you want me to change anything? Do you want me to curl it? I'm going to ask you 1,000 questions before you get up out my chair because I'm not going to have you get out my chair and you telling everybody that I ain't asked you nothing. I ain't have a conversation with you. I also am a therapist. I conversate with my clients all the time. I'm going to dig deep. We going to talk. And then eventually I'm going to shut the hell up because I'm done talking.